guys, it's me again with another one. We're at the bookstore this time around in Kingston, downtown Kingston, and we're trying to get some books before the rush. As you can see, well, I can't really show what's going on now because maybe some persons don't want to be in the video, but there is no line out here as yet. I guess maybe by further up in the month in August it's gonna be a long line outside of the bookstore, but for now you can just walk in and get your books. So we're here to get some of the stuff for back to school in the bookstore. So bookstore is downtown. We are downtown. It's kind of busy down here still, yeah, but nevertheless we are kind of early this time around to get some of the books. Hopefully I will finish all the shopping by the time school open. So hope all is well, guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Help me to reach 50k, guys. Help me to reach 50 subscription or subscribers. Yeah, please subscribe, guys. Help me to reach 50 and bring me to 50k likes, 50k views. We're getting there little by little. We're getting there, but thank you guys for sharing, thank you guys for the likes, thank you guys for viewing, thank you for the subscribers, all of the subscribers who have subscribed already. Thank you for subscribing. Hope all is well, and we're downtown. We're downtown, guys. We are downtown. There's Island Grill. So we are here. We are doing our thing, and hopefully, yeah. Hopefully we'll get all the shopping done by school open. Yeah. Here is my husband trying to get the book.